Today we'll create a dice. It's simple, but I'm sure we'll discover some hacks that make working in Blender easier. So, let's jump right in and get started. Once you start a new file in Blender, go ahead and delete the camera and light. Select the cube, hit Tab to jump into Edit mode, then press 1 to switch to Vertex mode. Pick this vertex and hit Delete. Press 3 to switch to Polygon mode, then press A to select all. Press N to open the side menu. We have to make the pivot point in the center of the scene. Follow me to do that. Right-click and choose Subdivide. Oh, and just a heads up, the shortcut keys will pop up on the screen, so it'll be easier to follow along. Hit 1 and choose this vertex, then hit Ctrl+B. Press anywhere. You will get this menu. Now follow me. Choose those vertices and hit M, then select At Last from the menu. Choose those vertices and hit Shift+R to repeat the same process. Now press 2 to switch to Edge mode. Choose those edges and hit Ctrl+B to bevel them. Now follow me, and don't forget the shortcuts on the screen. They are very important. Hit 1 and choose this vertex, then hit Ctrl+B. Press anywhere. You will get this menu. Now follow me. Choose those vertices and hit Shift+R to repeat the same process. Press 3 to switch to Polygon mode. Select these polygons and press E to extrude. Follow me and don't forget the shortcuts. Now we will create a new material for the holes. Now repeat the same process for all holes. Now we have a hack that will save a lot of time. Follow me, please. Now hit Alt plus E to extrude along normals. Follow me and don't forget the shortcuts. Now repeat the same process for all holes. After finishing the modeling, we will apply the material. Choose the holes and apply. Then hit Ctrl plus I to invert the selection and apply the other material. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video.